In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Scroll, hit label. Name it however you wish to, if you wish to, and save your label by hitting OK. Then use this switcher next to Alarm Report to enable or disable this feature. Hit ringtone, tap on Add New and pick any song from your smartphone, or select one of those. Then use this switcher next to Vibrate to turn it off or on. Tap on Set as Group and add it to one of your groups if you wish to. And when you're ready, use OK at the bottom right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. If you want to delete it, you need to tap on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete, click on your alarm and hit OK. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on OK here. To manage one of the group options, you can click on this icon of an alarm with a plus at the top right corner and create a group or select one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!